Our top story tonight, a man officially charged with killing a newlywed couple inside an Elkhorn bar. Thomas Routt appeared in court virtually today, facing 2 homicide charges, an attempted homicide charge, and other crimes. We appreciate you joining us tonight. Happy Friday to you. I'm Jessa Bryce Beck. It was an emotional court hearing in Elkhorn today. Thomas Routt spoke briefly, but the father of one of the victims addressed the judge and later had strong words for Governor Tony Evers. CBS 58's Adam Reif reports tonight from Elkhorn.
Thomas Routt will remain in jail after his bond was set at $2 million Friday. He's facing 5 felony charges in connection with the shooting deaths of Gina and Emerson Weingart February 1st. Emerson's father, after the hearing, said he's a monster, but Rout's attorney says they'll plead not guilty.
Our families have been devastated by this senseless act of violence.
The families of Gina and Emerson Weingart spoke briefly outside the courtroom Friday after the couple's alleged killer made his first court appearance.
The defendant killed 2 people and attempted to kill a third.
Just after midnight on February 1st, only 4 people remained in the Sports Page bar: Thomas Routt, the Weingarts, and a female witness. That witness told investigators Routt pointed a gun at Gina Weingart and told her not to move. Then the witness said Routt shot Gina. The witness said Routt chased her and shot at her. The complaint says Routt then went back inside the bar and grabbed between $120 and $140 cash from the register before he went home. Investigators said he later confessed to the shootings. At Friday's hearing, Routt spoke only once when the judge wondered if he had an attorney.
Yes, sir, he is, but he's in court right now in Milwaukee.
We spoke with his attorney later in the day.
We will be pleading not guilty.
Attorney Russell Jones said the criminal complaint is only the state's view of what happened.
It's their summary of the case. It's not subject to cross-examination. It's not evidence.
Routt has a lengthy criminal history and spent more than 20 years in prison. But in 2020, he was paroled by Governor Tony Evers.
To find out why Tony Evers' administration paroled this monster who committed this brazen act that took the lives of 2 very special, beautiful, and loving people, Gina and Emerson.
A local trauma counselor explained the legal process could be a challenge for the families of the Weingarts.
And they have to hear details they don't want to hear. They have to see people that allegedly killed their loved ones, so that can be a horrific experience.
A spokesperson for the governor's office did not respond to requests for comment on the 2020 parole of Thomas Routt. Jeff Weingart said the families are hopeful for a speedy trial. Thomas Routt is next expected in court February 21st. Here in Elkhorn, Adam Reif, CBS 58 News.